Okay, time to take a look at the WORKPRO 3-piece quick release ratchet set. So that is nice. They actually gave us a foam insert to put inside of our toolbox. Nice and thick one too. So we got 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. Nice heavy 1/2 inch too. We can see that they are all solid. There is no flex or anything that's going to get in the way. So if you want something that you can put a lot of force on, this is going to be the one that you want. They are still rounded on the tips, so it's going to make it easier to put inside the socket. And we can also see that that is a quick release. So when I press this button on the back, that is going to push that pin out, which will drop that detent. So that means especially if we've got a lot of grease and stuff on our tools, we don't have to worry about having to put a lot of force on here to pop it off, and it actually holds on there very well. And it'll stay on there until you press that release button, then it will easily drop out. And it can also make it easy if we need to work one-handed, because the other hand is occupied, we can still just press that button and drop it out if we need to change out sockets. You can also see we got a couple of Torx head bolts on there, and so those are going to fit inside that plate in the back, so if we ever need to take this thing apart to re-grease it, we can easily do that. It does have forward and reverse. 72-point ratchet, nice round handle. I do like that it's got a little knurl on here to kind of help out. But I really like these rounded handles just because you can put a lot of force on that without actually hurting your hand. So these are the best type of handles. And for the 3/8, kind of a tough feeling ratchet. Like there is a lot of back drag, but that usually means you can put a lot more torque on it without actually damaging it. So yeah, those feel like pretty good ratchets. So let's go ahead and take these things to work and test them out. I also really like they got that little spot right there where you can put your fingers in. So yeah, cool. It is not the smoothest feeling ratchet, but it's definitely a tough ratchet. So if you need to put a lot of torque on something, you want something that's going to be a little bit more dependable, this is the style that you want.